When installing the handlebar, check whether there is a triangle block on the headstock. If not, it may have fallen inside. Take it out and install it on the handlebars. Open the folding buckle and install the triangle block. When installing the triangle block, do not tighten the screws to high, otherwise it will not fit into the front of the bicycle. After installation, the tire and the body may not be in a straight line. At this time, you need to adjust the tire to be in line with the body of the bicycle. Then tighten the screws at the folding part of the bicycle head. Restore the front of the car and fasten the buckle.